Installing Interact Pro is as easy as installing non-connected luminaires or lamps. In case you want to replace a luminaire with a new connected luminaire, take the old luminaire out. Here it is demonstrated with a Coraline panel. Then you take the new Interact-ready luminaire and install it in the ceiling. After connecting the main power, it will be functional and ready for commissioning. The gateway comes with a bracket that you can mount with a few screws to a wall or the ceiling. Attach the gateway to the bracket, connect the power supply and an Ethernet cable, and the system is ready for commissioning. As the gateway is part of a wireless mesh network formed by the luminaires, it needs to be close to a number of luminaires. Next, we are adding a battery-powered motion sensor to the system. First, we get the ceiling tile out. We attach the back plate carefully to this tile using the screws supplied with the sensor. Note that different ceiling systems may differ in how you connect the sensor. After attaching the back plate of the sensor, you can put the tile back into the ceiling. When that is done, you can attach the sensor to the back plate. Usually this is done during the commissioning process, when the sensor is linked to a group of luminaires. Installing a panel switch is as easy as fixing the plastic holder to the wall using a few screws. You attach the switch and it is ready for use. It works on kinetic energy. The button press creates enough energy to send a wireless message that controls the lights.